Hi everyone, this is Goods and Things coming back today one more time with giving away some stuff for you guys today. Okay, we have this beautiful set of appetizer spoons, and I want to give some set away only today. If you want to claim your set, please see the instruction down below. Okay, this set of spoons going to make your event differentiate. Can be your event at home, can be a party, or anything like that. So let me send you a set. If you'd like to claim yours, just see the instruction down below this video, and I'll be happy to send you for total free. The only thing I need help with is the shipping and handling. Okay, it's just a small amount of dollars just to pay for the shipping. Please take a chance to get your set today. Like I said, it's free, and this set is beautiful and it's practical. You can use at any kind of event at home or any other places. Okay, thank you very much, enjoy it.